Dear students, in the earlier class we have seen few oxyacids of nitrogen like hyponitrous acid, hydronitrous acid, nitrous acid, and then pernitrous acid, nitric acid, pernitric acid, hyponitrous acid, hydronitrous acid, nitrous acid, pernitrous acid, nitric acid, pernitric acid. Do you remember those things? H2N2O2, hyponitrous acid, H4N2O4, hydronitrous acid, HNO2, nitrous acid. Per means one more addition, OHOO, like as it goes, because it forms in the form of peroxide, pernitrous acid. HNO3, nitric acid, pernitric acid, HNO4, but exact structure it goes HOONO2, like as you have seen. Alright. Now, preparation of these oxyacids, mainly hyponitrous acid, nitrous acid, pernitrous acid, nitric acid, pernitric acid. Only for 5 we are going to see, and not about hydronitrous acid. How to get hyponitrous acid? First one, hyponitrous acid. Can you recollect the structure? H2N2O2. We get similar type of salt. What is similar type of salt? Silver hyponitrite, Ag2N2O2. Instead of these two hydrogen, we have taken silver hyponitrite, hyponitrous acid, hyponitrite salt. Alright, when it is made to react with an acid, inorganic acid, hydrochloric acid, silver get combined with chlorine to become silver chloride, hydrogen come over here to give H2N2O2 plus 2 AgCl. AgCl will go in the form of precipitate. You will be getting hyponitrous acid. In this way, hyponitrous acid can be prepared. Alright. Then second one, nitrous acid. Preparation of nitrous. Again, it is prepared from the salt. We take barium salt. Again, it is treated with the mineral acid, maybe sulfuric acid, barium nitrite. Corresponding salt. Instead of hydrogen, silver hyponitrite, barium nitrite, nitrous acid, nitrite. Valency of barium 2, that of nitrite 1. Therefore, BaNO3 twice. Barium nitrite, HNO2, nitrous acid. If the hydrogen is replaced by barium, you will be getting barium. Sodium means sodium nitrite, NaNO2. But valency of sodium 1. Here, valency of barium happens to be 2. Therefore, BaNO3 twice. When it is made to react with, say, sulfuric acid or hydrochloric acid even, what is happening? Hydrogen comes over here, barium there. Valency of barium 2, that of sulfate is also 2. Therefore, barium sulfate will be getting HNO2, 2 HNO2. Because we have 2 hydrogen, 2 nitrite, 2 HNO2 plus BaSO4, barium sulfate. This is a precipitate again. Barium sulfate is a precipitate like silver chloride. Then third one, pernitrous acid. Nitrous acid, pernitrous acid. That means one more oxygen, as in hydrogen peroxide. Therefore, we use hydrogen peroxide. Hydrogen peroxide is made to react with nitrous acid. NOOH is nitrous acid. Let me write the structure so that you will be understanding well. When hydrogen peroxide is made to react with nitrous acid, what is happening? An oxygen goes over here, get added. It is oxygenated. Oxidation number has to increase usually, but since it happens to be in peroxide, such a thing may not happen, just addition of oxygen here, where the oxidation number of oxygen is becoming -1, it becomes water. Hydrogen peroxide becomes water, just it imparts an oxygen over nitrous acid. So we have got pernitrous acid. Then fourth method happens to be preparation of nitric acid, that we have seen already in Ostwald method. And same Ostwald method we can say, or else little bit difference in equation is given. So let us try to discuss that one. Pernitrous acid we have prepared, nitrous acid with hydrogen peroxide, addition of oxygen. Since it has lost one oxygen, it becomes water. Then fourth one, nitric acid. Nitric acid molecular formula HNO3. How to prepare this nitric acid? It is prepared by Ostwald process. Ammonia obtained by Haber process is made to react with oxygen in the presence of platinum gas, 1270 Kelvin. All those things you might have studied in the manufacture of nitric acid. If ammonia is made to react with oxygen without platinum gas, nitrogen and water. But here you will be getting nitric oxide and water. Nitric oxide, NO, and water. You might remember the reaction 5NO2, ammonia, 4 ammonia molecules get combined with 5O2 to give 4NO2 plus how many H2O? 12, therefore 6H2O. H2O, not H2, H2O. Ammonia, when passed over platinum gas, it gets oxidized to give nitric oxide at high temperature. Then the nitric oxide, not nitrogen dioxide, nitric oxide. To start with, you will be getting only nitric oxide, not nitrogen dioxide. Ammonia, when made to react with air, you will be getting nitrogen. With platinum gas, you will be getting nitric oxide. That nitric oxide, when oxidized, you will be getting nitrogen dioxide, NO2. Of course, this is the equation. NO, when oxidized, further becomes nitrogen dioxide. That nitrogen dioxide, when dissolved in water, in the absorption tower, nitrogen dioxide formed is passed over absorption tower, where nitrogen dioxide is absorbed by water to become nitric acid. That's what we have seen in the manufacture of nitric acid. You might have studied Ostwald process. Along with that, nitric oxide is also formed, nitric oxide, and it has to be recycled. The nitric oxide formed is again recycled to get nitrogen dioxide. This is what we have seen. How to write the balanced equation? At least 2. Why at least 2? To get even number of hydrogen. Then only the equation can be balanced. Totally 3 nitrogen, therefore 3. I think it is balanced equation. 6 oxygen, 6 plus 1, 7 oxygen, 6 plus 1, 7 oxygen. Balanced equation. This is how we have seen in Ostwald process. But the equation can be a little bit modified. How can we modify the equation? The nitric oxide formed, I said it can be recycled, is it not? It can be recycled to become nitrogen dioxide. And I can combine these two equations. How? The nitric oxide formed is recycled to give nitrogen dioxide, 2NO2. Am I correct? 2NO plus O2 gives 2NO2. Now, I can add these two equations. How? The 2 nitric oxide become 2NO by multiplying with 2. If I multiply the equation by 2, what will happen? It will become 6, 2, 4 and 2. Now if I add these two equations, nitric oxide formed becomes nitrogen dioxide, then nitrogen dioxide dissolved in water. So if I sum up 6NO2, there 2NO2, therefore I can subtract 4NO2 on the whole. NO2, this NO and NO get cancelled. NO and NO get cancelled, 2NO and 2NO get cancelled. Alright? So 6NO2, from 6NO2 we have subtracted 2, therefore 4NO2. 2H2O, we have multiplied by 2 and then we are adding, plus 2H2O and then plus O2 gives 4HNO3. That's all. Since we have subtracted 2, actually it becomes 6NO2, 2H2O, 4HNO3, 2NO. We have subtracted 2NO, we have cancelled 2NO and 2NO. 2NO2 next to opposite, equal to, and here it is 6NO2. 6NO2 minus 2. This side 6, that side 2, therefore it becomes 4. 4NO2 plus 2H2O plus O2 gives 4HNO3. So this is how we prepare nitric acid. Either you can write these three equations, or nitric oxide is formed, nitrogen dioxide is formed, nitrogen dioxide with water get dissolved to give nitric acid. Upon addition of these two equations, it gives nitric acid. This is how nitric acid can be prepared. Alright. But while you write the equation, NO is becoming NO2, that NO2 become dimer. That NO2 become dimer. So instead of writing 4NO2, what we can write is 2N2O4 plus 2H2O plus O2 gives 4HNO3. The NO2 formed is becoming dimer. The NO2 formed is becoming dimer. 2NO2, see the same thing I can write in the other way. 2NO2 gives N2O4. That N2O4 is get involved in the reaction. Alright? Just for understanding, I am giving all these explanations. And either you can write 1, 2, 3 these equations, or else 1, 2, that nitrogen dioxide is becoming dinitrogen tetroxide by dimerization. In between you can write this equation. What is it? NO2 is becoming N2O4. 2NO2 is becoming 2NO2. That N2O4 get dissolved in water and oxygen to give nitric acid. Both are correct. And finally, preparation of pernitric acid. As we have seen earlier, in the preparation of pernitric acid, last one, preparation of pernitric acid. Pernitric acid. HOONO 2. HOONO2. OHNO2 is nitric acid. HOONO2 is pernitric acid. Simply HNO4. Again, by the oxidation of hydrogen peroxide. Oxidation using hydrogen peroxide. When nitrogen pentoxide N2O5 is oxidized using hydrogen peroxide, it becomes pernitric acid and nitric acid. HOONO2 and HNO3. Nitric acid and pernitric acid. So 2 nitrogen, oxygen 7, 2 plus 2, 4, 4 plus 3, 7, 2 hydrogen, 2 hydrogen, balanced equation. So pernitric acid and nitric acid. So with that, we end up with various compounds under nitrogen. So up to part 8, we have seen nitrogen, its position in the periodic table, and about nitrogen we have seen preparation properties and uses. Then we went into ammonia, hydrate of nitrogen, and then nitric acid. Mainly we have seen preparation properties and use of nitric acid. After that, we have seen oxides of nitrogen, their physical state, oxidation state, and then structure along with electron dot formula, and then preparation of those oxides. Now various oxy acids, their structure, followed by preparation of oxy acids. With that, we end up with nitrogen. In the next session, let us go into phosphorus. Thank you.